Good afternoon, guys. We're finally back at Universal Orlando. We're gonna do some park hopping today. I'm hoping to get some coaster credits on some rides I haven't been on this year. Like I've been on Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit and I see it going right now. I have been on the Trollercoaster. I've been flying Hippogriff. And of course, I really want to ride VelociCoaster again. So I invite you to join me on this opportunity to be back at Universal. And I'm a pass holder here again with Platinum Pass. Wait time seems to be a little low today, actually, for the Minions ride. The Despicable Minions Mayhem. It's only 25-minute waits. Normally I like 60-minute wait when I come here. So I guess the key is come here on Tuesday. So I think the first ride I'm gonna hit up is Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit, because I've been dying to ride that. Now, unpopular opinion, I actually love that roller coaster. I actually really love that roller coaster, so I want to get back on that as soon as possible. So I'll see you guys when I get on the ride. I ended up choosing Welcome to the Back Parade by My Chemical Romance. That ride's awesome. I love it. I absolutely love that roller coaster. And I know that's an underrated opinion just because no one really likes it. But I love that coaster. I rewrote it actually 2 times. One of the times I recorded it, the other time I didn't. And they didn't catch me with the glasses. See? But I think now I'm gonna head on to, well, my camera stopped working. As I was saying before, my camera stopped working for a second. Now I think I'm gonna hop on to the Revenge of the Mommy. It's one of my favorite indoor roller coasters that they have here. They have 2 very good indoor roller coasters too. They have Revenge of the Mommy and Skip and Green Gods on the studio side. So I may take a ride on that, or maybe I'll go on a different ride right now. Maybe I'll just get the coaster credit I'm missing. No, the coaster credit I'm missing inside the park. That is the Trollercoaster, since that wasn't open last time I was here. So I'll see you when I get near the Trollercoaster. I was walking by the Minions area to get to the Trollercoaster section. I forgot I love this drink. That's my last time I came here. It's called like the PX41. It's a purple drink from the Minions section. You can get at the banana stand right over here. Yeah, you can get it from this banana stand. I'll try it on camera for you guys. Just as good as I remember. It has Pop Rocks in there. It's like a kiwi purple lemonade type flavor. It's very good. I highly suggest trying this drink if you guys come to Universal. It's like the top-notch drink that they have at Universal. And now that I got done drinking that, I'm gonna actually head on to the Trollercoaster. It'd be a brand new credit for me since I didn't even rode it when it was the Woody Woodpecker coaster. So it'll be a brand new credit for me. I'll see you guys when I get there. So the section that the Trollercoaster is at is actually a brand new land to the park. It's actually the DreamWorks land. So if you're gonna ride the Trollercoaster, check out the DreamWorks land afterwards, just because I haven't experienced that yet. I was in a pass holder when they actually opened it, so we're gonna be checking that out because of that. So check out the Trollercoaster credit and go on to explore that land. Then we'll go hop over to, or we're probably gonna go to the tribute shop, because I remember I used to love the tribute shops when I used to come here before. So we'll head over to the tribute shop afterwards. As you guys can see, they have Shrek and Donkey back. Or they have Donkey back in the main spot. So left of me there's actually a splash pad that kids are playing with, so I don't want to show kids playing on my channel, because then I'll have to blur it out, and I don't want too much work on me and post edit. But they did a good job with this DreamWorks land. They even have like the frogs from Shrek down that way. I'll see if I can zoom in. I'll zoom in post, but you can probably see it. I'll show you guys the way out if worse comes to worse. But they did an amazing job with this land. So I guess I'm checking out the land first. Right, there's the Trollercoaster over there. They have a faux training camp. I would do that, but I really want to get the coaster credit. The Trollercoaster is actually posted at 45-minute wait. I'm gonna wait out a couple minutes instead. My annual pass, you get express pass after 4 p.m. So we'll wait out a couple minutes to get the ride credit. That Trollercoaster was absolutely adorable. It was a perfect theming coaster for kids. I just was impressed how good it was themed. But it was very cute, that coaster. It was not like a thrilling coaster, but it was a very cute coaster in general just to ride. It was like amazing how they were able to make that like the incredible troll theme. You'll see from the footage I inserted. Now we're gonna actually head to the tribute store for Halloween since it's starting to rain. So I see you when you get there. So the Halloween tribute store is actually located in the New York section for this time. It's next to the Revenge of the Mommy. We'll go inside. It's inside this thing you have to enter. This thing is normally full of Easter eggs, so I'm looking forward to seeing stuff. Enter a quiet place. Not safe-ish. They actually have Mel's Dining stuff from Ghostbuster Cotton Candy. A whole bunch of Ghostbuster stuff actually in this section. And it looks like that's a Ghostbuster Roosevelt. Yeah, some more Ghostbusters. The Chucky popcorn buckets. A little blue popcorn bucket. The HHN launch fly. The refillable freestyle Coke cups. A little blue sipper. More Ghostbuster stuff. Even more Ghostbuster stuff. Here's the annual pass holder lanyards, which I only knew one. The pass holder pin. Coffee mug. Even more Ghostbuster stuff. And Ghostbuster pillows. And now we fall into the rain and there's a whole bunch of Ghostbusters launch flies in front of me. Then you have Lil Boo, the launch fly, songs with the same HHN shirt that I showed you guys earlier. And they have the Halloween Hornets 2024 shirts here and launch flies. I believe this is like a poster type thing you put in your room. Coffee mug, where it says where horror lives. And it's signed that says HHN. I'll try to zoom out. The more Lil Boo stuff here. I really like the Lil Boo sipper. I may have to get that before I leave today. Then you have a Lil Boo planter actually right over here. Oh, they even have Lil Boo pumpkins here. The popcorn bucket that lights up. And you light up this popcorn bucket. And you have the Lil Boo ears actually to compete with Mickey Mouse ears. Then you have Delta the Marthas, which is essentially to Day of the Dead. Since they have a scare zone this year based on Day of the Dead. I wish I went this year, but I didn't go. Just because I didn't have my pass in time. Then you have this shirt, which I actually really like a lot. That says where horror lives, and it has the HHN on there. Then you have Halloween Horror Nights snacks over here. Another lanyard. You have a jean jacket, which is too hot in Florida to wear that. You have the hoverboard from Back to the Future. Now we'll take the arrows as this sign suggests this way. Oh, I see Insidious stuff. Some Insidious stuff, even more Insidious stuff, even more Insidious stuff. Then you have the external bloodline, which is the all-female monster escort house they had this year. And you have more external stuff, another sipper, and you have these dessert treats. And you have a whole Blumhouse section over here. You have a lot of these Chucky popcorn buckets. Wow. If you guys don't know, I'm a big fan of Chucky. I'm actually wearing a Chucky shirt right now. It looks like this is all the kids stuff for HHN. Lil Boo hat. Somehow I walked away without even spending $1. I could easily go bankrupt in there though, honestly. So it's amazing that I walked away without spending $1 in there. Now I'm actually gonna go to 5 and Dime because they actually have a pass holder magnet. Oh, actually hashtag that. Let me say how to hashtag. Hey hashtag, how you doing? Doing good? Oh, wait, let me get it decentered. You doing good, hashtag? You having fun with Jimmy Fallon lately? All right, nice seeing you, hashtag. Now I'm gonna make my way to 5 and Dime just so I can get the pass holder magnet. It's actually the adorable magnet with the Lil Boo on there. It's for only pass holders, and now that I'm pass holder, I can actually claim it. Hopefully my mic's cutting out the background music. It normally does. Right, here's what the pass holder magnet looks like. I can put it in my back pocket for now. And now I'm gonna head over to Islands of Adventure, my favorite park that Universal has currently till Epic opens. And I'll see you guys when I get there. If you're a US history fan or just a history fan just like me, I actually have something to show you. And on the right side of the Hard Rock Cafe, if you walk down this path where I'm walking right now, the one that's close to the Rip Ride Rockit. I almost tripped on something already here. But they supposedly had a piece of the Great Wall of Berlin. That's what I saw on TikTok the other day. So I came down this path while I'm walking to Islands to check that out. Let's see how true it is. Yep, I see it right there, actually. Yep, right here's a piece of the Berlin Wall. Not the Great Wall of Berlin, just the Berlin Wall. Right here it is. I actually am in Islands Adventure. I think I'm just gonna ride the flight of Hippogriff and the VelociCoaster and call it a day for the theme park part of this video, or the theme park stuff. Since this is my 6th theme park I went to today. My body's pretty tired right now, and I do want to ride VelociCoaster. That's what's keeping me motivated kind of right now. So we'll go on Flight of Hippogriff, which I've been before. It's like a decent kiddie coaster. I don't like it that much, but we'll go on it just so I can get the credit. I've been on it like over a year and a half. I did the all roller coaster videos here at Universal a couple years ago. That's the last time I rode it. So I see you guys when I get to Flight of Hippogriff. Here in Seuss Landing, they actually started putting up the Christmas decor already. We are finally back in Hogsmeade. It's been way too long without my Harry Potter section. In case you guys are wondering, Hagrid's, the mythical motor creatures, actually has a low 60-minute wait. It's normally like a 90-minute wait when I come here. So Flight of Hippogriff is actually at a 20-minute wait. I'll see you guys on the ride. This is the same coaster, so the last should be fine. It's not the whole core VelociCoaster. Flight of Hippogriff was fun as normal. Actually, it was funner than Azal. It was more tense than Azal also. Now we're gonna head into one of my favorite roller coaster here, VelociCoaster. It's actually an Intamin Blitz coaster, but the newer model. It's not like Cheetah Hunt, it's a newer model. I'm very excited to ride that. I haven't rode that since January, and it's like one of my favorite coasters in the world. You know, I like Guardians a little bit better, but I still love VelociCoaster. And now I find out how long the wait is right now. Someone's standing right in front of where the wait time is. 45 minutes, which is not bad. So definitely come to Universal on a Tuesday if you're gonna go Universal any day, just because it seems like it's a little crowded here today. But now it's time for VelociCoaster. The cool thing about VelociCoaster, I actually could record a queue with this camera. So I don't have to record a queue with these camera. But I could record the queue with this camera. So here comes my VelociCoaster. I miss that thing so much. This is one of my favorite queues in Universal Studios in general.
That's what the
That ride VelociCoaster was freaking amazing. I love that ride. I'm actually gonna replace this 2 on my list and bring Guardians of the Galaxy to the jury. I got this thing to be Guardians for somehow. So this is number 2 on my list. So it goes Angrazi, VelociCoaster, Guardians, then Mako. But that's what it is right now. But it's something that can change by the end of the year. But I freaking love VelociCoaster. Freaking love that ride. It's so freaking intense and I love it. I definitely will be going back on that and coming here just for VelociCoaster again. I think that's freaking amazing. It's an intimate beauty piece. Well, with that being said, I'm ending the video here. Thank you for watching the video. If you like more theme park content, make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment what is your favorite roller coaster here at Universal Orlando. All right, have a good one. Bye.